Yeah.
And like you could kind of trick your kids into, if they like to play with like, you know, like Nerf guns or whatever, toys, be like, hey, this is a toy and your mission is to clean up this house.
Exactly.
They might do it. Nearly 500,000 handheld vacs sold.
Wow, thank you.
Only order of the year. Holiday weekend deal, first day at this sale price saves you $45 on the Teko Reacher handheld vacuum. Comes with all these accessories.
Yep.
It was $133. It is now $88. And
is
then
it
the
really?
free shipping and handling.
Okay.
Yeah. $88.
Okay.
I know, that's a great weekend deal. And we have all the colors now. 3 of them are exclusive to us. So we have the teal blue, exclusive charcoal, pink,
Pink white. Yeah, there's like
pink
a
white.
Yeah.
Where's
you
the
see
pink?
the pink?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. The dustbin.
Pink white. That's exclusive. Here we have the sage green. That's exclusive. And then we have the charcoal gray, which is also exclusive. Christopher Joyce is here. He is also exclusive. I don't know. Are you exclusive?
Yeah,
you are
yeah,
kind of
yeah,
exclusive
kind of
here.
exclusive, I suppose.
To QVC.
Yeah.
And then all of the different accessories.
All the accessories, and that's the beautiful thing about this. You know, typically, let me describe this real quick. So typically with a handheld vac, this is what you're using.
Right.
The problem with this is, okay, fine, you can do the sofa, you can do the tabletop, but how do you get up high? How do you get down low? That's what the Reacher vac has done. It solved all those problems because literally, watch this, you can expand it 2 different ways, 4 feet of extra reach. We give you the floor attachment. We give you the crevice tool. We give you the dusting brush. It's cordless, it's rechargeable, it's lightweight. Let's get cleaning.
Boom, let's get cleaning, yes. We should have started over here. I'm sorry about that.
No,
this
no,
is
no.
fun.
I'm glad we did the colors. So I'm going to start on the tabletop because it is first and foremost a hand vac. So you can see it has 2 different settings for power. 1 and 2, kind of medium and turbo.
Love
and then that is
easy.
telling you the battery life. And watch this. So now I'm going to be able to pick up kind of heavy stuff as well as light stuff. Here's some nice oatmeal. And again, just no problem, picks it up lickety split. Some cereal. And you can see the power of it because literally I'm not having to stop. I'm basically in one swipe picking up all that mess, no problem at all. And then that's where it only begins because now I can expand it, all right? And now I can put the floor wand on, the floor attachment, and now we're gonna come over here, and now I can come down, not only do the tabletop, but watch this. Now I can take care of all the messes on the floor. So now we have a vacuum that's gonna work on the floor, it's gonna work on, you know, their tabletops, and then above as well. I'll show that in just a second. So I'll take this off, and again, it's so easy to take this off. Just one little press of this button here, and now I can get above all the areas, let's say on top of here, in the cupboards, on top of the molding, and I didn't have to get another vacuum out because the Reacher is truly reaching to wherever it needs to go.
And how much does it weigh? Do we know? It's like maybe
less than 4 pounds. I think.
Like less than 4 pounds.
Yeah.
It's really versatile because if you need to get out, you know, we'll get out the big, huge vacuum cleaner to do the deep cleaning throughout the week, maybe once a week, but we'll get this out a couple times a day.
Exactly, and because it's going to take it to wherever you need it to go. I mean, it's truly adaptable. It goes from the floor to the ceiling and everything in between, and that's the beautiful thing. You can see how fast and efficient you can be about cleaning everything up around the house on a daily basis. There's also an accessory pack that's showing you kind of the extra tools if you get the accessory pack. I love that one they first showed. It actually turns it into a 90-degree angle. I'll show that in just a bit. And that allows you to clean the tops of ceiling fans and things like that.
And it's rechargeable, right? So you can just take it out to the car.
Exactly. And that's the nice thing. Because it's cordless and rechargeable, has a washable filter, it's easy to use, it's lightweight, you're going to use it every single day.
Time.
All
and we
the time.
have exclusive colors that you can't get anywhere else. So this is the teal blue. That one's not exclusive, but it's pretty. And then we have the
white and pink.
White and pink. See, there's the pink. That's fun. Okay, you're definitely not going to get that anywhere else. Sage green. And finally, the charcoal gray. You get all of the accessories. First day at this holiday weekend deal, saving you $45. That's amazing.
That's amazing.
$133 for $88. Or, since everything's on Easy Pay, oh, and it's shipping for free too.
Love that.
$17.60 to get it home on any major credit card.
So let's say you have messes around the house. This is kind of a daily task. Maybe it's on top of the high chair. Now you have a way to easily pick up all those messes, no problem at all. But inevitably, I know with my kids, it just wasn't here, it was also on the floor. So that's where you can open this up.
Right, and you don't have to get down and bend down on the floor.
Open it up, put the floor attachment on, and now all the extra stuff that fell on the floor, now you can get to that as well with the floor attachment. No problem at all. And really to show you the power, I have a couple demonstrations that'll be fun.
Oh yeah, blink and you'll miss this one probably, right?
Right. We'll get to that one in just a second.
Okay.
We'll put this here. Come over here.
Oh, there's even more.
Yeah, there's some
but
fun
wait,
stuff here.
there's more.
Yeah, wait, there's more. So take a look at this. I'm gonna pick up a not a bowling ball, a billiard ball, all right? And watch this, no matter how hard I try, because of the suction, it's not allowing that billiard ball to fall, all right, until I release it. Turn it off, and then it goes. That's showing you the power. Another power demo I want to show you, how about if I could pick up a cinder block? So watch this. This is kind of fun. This is just fun stuff, but we're just showing you the power that this has. There you go. Look at that. Picking up that cinder block, no problem at all.
And it really revs up, too.
It does. You hear it, right?
Yeah.
I'm actually having to yell over it.
Right.
And that's really showing you the power of the Reacher vac.
Well, and that's the thing. I mean, you think I have to get out the big upright to have that kind of power, and you do for the deep, deep cleaning.
No doubt.
But those everyday problems, especially if you have pets like this, just get it out. It weighs less than 4 pounds, and you're ready to roll.
Exactly, and I just love the fact that it goes anywhere that you want it to go, whether you're doing the blinds, whether you're doing the stairs, you name it, we give you all the tools that you truly need to clean from floor to ceiling.
Right.
You're right, this is likely not to replace that big heavy vacuum.
Right, but
it's going to be the one that you can go for every single day.
Because that big heavy vacuum, I'll leave things sometimes. I'm like, I'm not getting out that. I'll get it later.
Right,
and then I leave it, and someone walks in, rings the doorbell. I'm like, ooh, darn it! I thought I would be able to get away with that one.
What I love is now we can take it to the car because it's cordless and rechargeable. We also can take it, I'm not even going to expand it this time. I'm going to show you some of these really neat tools. So this gives you a little brush, and that's going to allow you to easily, maybe around the office, pick up all the crumbs. I don't know about you, I'm often eating in my office. This allows you to pick that up, no problem. And now I can take off these tools, and now I can go pick up the messes that are on the carpeted floor mats in my car. So this is also going to act as your car vacuum. Then I can put this crevice tool on. So we're giving you all these accessories, by the way.
Right.
And now you're going to see, even deep in these crevices, it's going to take care of everything that's there. So watch this. Picking up those messes, whether it's the French fries or the dirt, you name it. There we go.
Sand, moving into the summer.
You got it. It's picking up all those
Salt
messes.
right now.
No problem. And look, I can really get into that crevice, and my job is done. That's really showing you the power. But then, watch this. I can put this little brush on, and now I can take care of, let's say, all the dirt and the debris that's on our lampshades. You don't want to use a cloth because what you're doing is you're just spreading the dirt around a lampshade. With a vacuum, you're actually picking sucking all the dirt away. Exactly right.
All right, so here's what's happening at QVC.
Yeah.
We have a $45 savings, is that right? $45 as our holiday weekend deal. We have exclusive colors. You're gonna get all of the accessories. Those are not an extra charge. There is some extra accessories that we have, but these are what you're getting here. This is the teal. Here we have the white pink. We have it in the sage green, and we have it in the charcoal. This is the only order of the year, so come October, when we're thinking about getting ready for holiday gifting and holiday preparation, these probably won't be here.
Right.
Or maybe one color will be.
Exactly, because when I saw that holiday weekend deal, I'm like, that is a deal. I mean,
yeah, it's a great deal.
I love the fact too that you have two different settings. There you're seeing, I call it a high and a turbo, and it's really going to allow you to ramp it up. A nice dust cup. It's really easy to empty. But I love the fact that it is the Reacher vac. It's truly going to reach all those areas that you want to clean, from the floor to the tabletop to the ceiling. We're giving you a lot of tools, but then the accessory pack also gives you some really different, unique tools as well. So whether it's the cat or the dog hair or the kibbles and bits, there you're seeing that extra accessory tool that's going to allow you to clean.
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
And that kind of pivots 90 degrees, which just makes your job so much easier. And that's the whole idea. We're giving you tools that make it so much easier
now
for you to clean.
that's with the extra
This is with the accessory pack.
So that one doesn't come with this
Right.
one. But if
I
you
just
want to
wanted
add
to show you exactly. It's a nice brush that pivots 90 degrees, so it's going to allow you to pick up everything on the
I mean,
ceiling
really
fan
what
blade.
you're saving in the holiday weekend deal, you can probably get the accessory kit.
I would agree.
You know?
Exactly right.
And we're shipping it to you for free.
Mm-hmm.
Now it charges up. How long does it take to charge, and how long does it hold
Less than
to
a couple
charge?
hours. We're looking at it like at about a half hour. I think you're getting a.
Okay, watch this. Blink and
Watch
you'll
it.
miss it.
Blink and you'll miss it.
Ready?
Here we go. There you go. And that's again
how we
showing the
end
power.
our
Exactly.
show.
Good way to end.
Yes, thank you so much, Christopher.
Thank you.
Holiday weekend deal, first day at that price. Everything's on 5 easy payments right now, so $17.60 to get it home. It's going to ship to you for free. You're saving $45. You have 30 days to return if you need to. This is the teal. We have the exclusive pink and white. We have the exclusive sage green, and we have the exclusive charcoal gray. The 58305 is your item number. Christopher, thank you
Terry.
so much.
Appreciate
Happy
it.
Valentine's
You
Day.
too.
Happy Valentine's Day to you. It's Friday. My name is Terry Kahn. I will see you on Monday. Rosina Grosso is taking you shopping next with an hour of Lawrence Zarian. Oh, it's going to be beautiful.